Okay, here it comes. Whoa. There you have it. It's the local L555 again. That train starts down in Champaign, Illinois, heads to Gilman, Illinois. Goes to Gilman, Illinois to serve a couple industries. And it's heading back to Gilman right now, where it's going. It's heading north back to Gilman. It dropped off the SD40-2W in Champaign on Saturday, September 30th, 2023. My main channel on YouTube. Let's see if we can clear that signal. There you go. There it goes. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is going to be the last train tonight. The same train, the local L555, heading north. It was heading south, and it was heading north. Heading north now. Thanks for watching, everybody. There might be more trains there. We'll find out. Until next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you all next time. Let's roll it. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Subscribe and click on that notification bell. Thank you.